Now, in today's video, we're taking you to one of the most hectic and quite debatably the most dangerous place to go shopping in Jamaica. Now, this place, though colorful and affordable for shopping, interestingly has shoppers wearing their backpacks on their stomachs. You guessed it, that's downtown Kingston. Now, in today's video, we had one simple goal, which I think made the day, and very interestingly. Now, today's video is sponsored by Skillshare, which is an online learning community for creative adventurers like us, giving us a medium to gain life-changing information from other creatives. Now, in today's video, you might be learning something new, maybe about culture or your next travel destination. On Skillshare, I get to learn from one of my favorite creatives, YC Imaging, on how to film in different situations. Today, I had to film more inconspicuously so the camera wasn't in everyone's faces. You can learn more tips and tricks from any of the short but impactful classes. Now, to the first 1,000 subscribers that clicks the link in the description box, you'll get a free trial of premium membership to Skillshare. Alright guys, so we are here with Iandra Baburam, and we are going to go shopping for these items in downtown Kingston and then uptown. Yeah, how much times have you ever come downtown? It's like a regular thing for you or no? No, it's your face. Her face look very scared. She's like, So
I mean, I normally come down here, but not a lot.
Not a lot. Alright, so the vibe is to get those two items. We're trying to find those coffee or cocoa balls, and also we're trying to find, a tin of condensed milk. I have a basic idea where we might be able to find them, but yeah, which do you think is going to be cheaper? Do you think downtown price is going to be like cheaper? Alright, I want you guys to drop in the comments. Let me know like how much cheaper do you think is going to be, like a 5% difference, 10% difference? What do you feel?
5.
About 5%. Alright, cool. Do you think it's worth the hassle shopping downtown or just buying it from the supermarket Friday?
For me, it's not worth it.
Not worth it at all?
No. For more than one reason. Like safety, time, energy, all of them stuff there. Facts.
I think if you go like come down, if you're going to like buy a bunch of stuff for your house, like the Coronation Market, it probably makes sense. You guys can probably check out the Coronation Market video that I did. I'll drop the link somewhere. In that sense, yeah, but if you're going to come and buy just like a condensed milk or a cup, like, yeah, it really don't make no sense. Like there are...
It depends on the portion.
Yeah, the portion sizes, yeah. I think down here is better for like bulk purchases. Anyway, let's get on the streets and hopefully I can keep Iandra Baburam safe, because she's nervous.
I'm not nervous, I just don't know my thing. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so where we're parked is back up that side, and then here is like heading into the heart of downtown. You feel a downtown heat there? Jesus. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty hot. But yeah, so I think we're gonna walk all the way. This would be the what? South. Yeah, all the way south. You see me? And then we're gonna make a little right and go in for all the vibes,
Right?
Yeah, this side.
Going straight down?
Yeah, we'll try to go market side. We wanna find like the man them with the truck.
Okay.
Or sell like a wholesale thing them.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think that would be like the best price.
Are them little wholesale or you want supermarket?
No man, I want Outer Road was probably the cheaper thing them there.
Yeah, but what about when we go uptown?
Uptown and supermarket vibes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think if you go like supermarket here, them have the overhead to pay for them bills and stuff, but if a truck man don't really have no overhead, so hopefully the price should be cheaper.
So we're not gonna do a comparison?
Yeah.
So you think it's go unfair if we use the truck man them in a downtown and then we go uptown and then go in the supermarket? The price comparison I go, we expect it. We know it's gonna have a difference because we're gonna use the people.
Yeah, but by how much? Because people just say, yo, it's way cheaper.
I
get your vibes too. I get your vibe completely. All right. Look how here look rich. You call this Justin Dawn?
Yeah.
So I think you see up the road there? The road there, so? And where we and Jason and Rolly did go to get this up.
Yeah.
The time. Alright.
And this a juice.
Yeah. And I buy mixed chicken parts. You're good?
You know, baby.
$140 pound. Just come over here from after about the big ticket spot. I want this spot quickly.
Mr. One, you need to go to one, you have to do it.
Facts.
Just come and ask about the great chicken trap. We got great chicken trap. Just come and ask about the great chicken trap.
So you want to try buy it from like anybody else, so? As in condensed milk? Secure your first one?
That's no problem, sorry. What brand are you going for?
You choose the brand. You have condensed milk?
I don't know this one, Evie.
You don't have no other one apart from the
That's all I have. And then let's do.
green butter?
Oh no, I think it's there.
No.
You're not even sure they're gonna find that one up there.
Oh, that, yeah, more find the other one.
Yeah.
Can't left here behind no car. If we left here behind a fight, you not go fight me? On a national treasure?
Oh, make
All fish down here, so. What? Eh?
how much a pound is that?
Good man. That's a nice size target fish, you know.
Yes, you want the lunch?
Not today, come on.
$50 here, tomato,
Wow. What is shot still, you know?
Based off of upstairs.
Yeah.
Just the milk for the first lady with it.
Everybody have it?
Because remember, so them have this one truck come and sell them goods.
So one trucker come and sell everybody the same goods, then
Yeah,
basically.
I should think all of them have the same milk.
I think I saw that same milk uptown too.
You think so?
I think me see or probably a country me did
Oh
over there.
wait, I know this one. That one. Them sell them the same.
Surge, okay. Yeah, surge.
How much your surge milk? How much? Skim milk? Yeah. 250? Let me see. Alright, I want it.
Mad. Alright, so first item check. Dropping out the bag. Is a vibe. Guys, I hope nobody recognize Ian down here, you know, with all the masks on, but watch there. Jano. Alright, so first item is done. The next item I look for are the coffee. The cocoa bar.
I don't think we're gonna see that on the road though, you know.
I can ask you, that's gonna be the fun part about it, you know?
What name? Coffee?
That is Jamaica cocoa bar. Can ask CASHAPP.
You know nobody with them.
Alright, come.
Alright.
Tomato 50, onion 150.
Whoa.
So there's a hustle and bustle on it that I really like.
50, onion 150.
If I-
Down there to look more festive.
I could go down there to the festive part. Alright, so Iya definitely gone into a little mode now. She more relaxed and more hoping at the video. She ready now?
Onion 150. $50 tomato, madam, my husband plan him and me sell them. Tomato 50, onion 150. $50 tomato, madam, my husband plan him and me sell them. Tomato 50, onion 150.
So definitely one day, if I open a restaurant, like I would come shopping down here, like vibes.
Here's a look. Alright.
Yeah. Oh, go on. And by chance sell the chocolate ball them, the original Jamaican chocolate ball. You're great if you make cocoa chocolate. You know nobody was selling down here, so chocolate. I mean.
That was
Okay.
chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. You can't send me out.
No.
Oh, it's still far.
Onion 150. $50 tomato, madam, my husband plan him and me sell them.
I thought I vibe, I swear.
Tomato 50, onion 150.
You see them there? The metal pan
And them
them?
have the cover.
I never see them with the cover yet.
Exactly. Check where? Which one?
There was the season for
What's the one?
season for alright.
Alright.
Oh. Probably sell them enough. Mommy,
No, but no, psycho.
and you sell chocolate?
Here again, yeah, man. 3 for 210.
Keep it 210. Alright, give it give it 3 then. No?
The year do see it? See it? Me not bad, you can answer me about you.
What kind of what kind of season is that?
Mix up season.
Everything is a jerk, hard burger, chicken spices.
Alright, this is 210. How much you want, mama?
This
How
one
much
first.
I normally sell one for?
No, I'm here for them price.
Yeah, man.
For them amount, but I never hear yours.
We take that. We take it sure
Yeah,
then.
me know, but me just want to know how much them other sell. One
One
for
for
70 myself.
70 for one? Alright, thanks.
70 for one. Alright.
No, bigger, no, mama.
Alright. Mission accomplished.
Thank you.
Alright.
2 items. You ready?
Oh, how much do you?
Yeah, the more of your road product,
I think I
guys.
have 10. Hold on. Oh, God.
So 210. $210. Good. And the condensed milk, how much you condensed milk yourself again?
250.
250.
Wait, I'm gonna look for 10.
Come selling them and me over here. Over here, mommy, over here.
No, we're done.
We're done?
Everything. Like you're ready for all more shopping. Alright, we're done. Yo, who sweat? Hot. Alright, so right now we're up on Kingston Spring. This is Uptown, Kingston. You see me? So we're going to Fresh Foods. This is a new supermarket that was built. But I want to get anything special like duck. You have to move forward because it's there. You understand? In Jamaica, what do you consider, what supermarket would you say is the more affordable? for you?
Shoppers Fair.
Shoppers Fair. Me normally go high-low, but here tell me say high-low expensive, so I think I go have to check on that for real.
Expensive bad.
Expensive bad?
Yeah, but I already compare them goods already.
Okay.
And then I say, you know what? Although it's not the place.
Got you. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to try to see if we can find those two products and drop in the comments and let me know. Alright, so you're saying it's a smell good. So I pass the water, I cake them and them thing there. So first thing I'm going to look for is condensed milk. Which shouldn't be hard to find. And I guess that's why persons like shopping in a supermarket, because some things are more easy to find. This aisle. Yeah, we see it under condensed milk.
Oh, these are so cute. You like a matte black now.
I tell you, go shop with the money, you can't stay focused on what we actually come here for. What are them things there?
See it here.
Oh, them sell the bottle, them sell this one.
Stop.
Huh?
Go back.
Why?
Guess the price.
How much was it downtown?
$250.
330.
Final answer?
350. Final answer.
350?
Yeah.
Alright. Because my seat, I can't guess.
Okay.
So it's for $263.
How much you pay for downtown?
$250.
Plus tax.
Yeah.
Plus.
So it was $254.
That's if you buy a
Plus
tree.
tax.
If you buy a tree.
Oh, if you buy a tree, yeah.
So 263 plus tax, so that's 15%. I look from probably like 270 something.
Yeah. Wait. What's the
280.
difference? Wait. So what's that one?
This one is
Oh, fat
fat-free.
Alright.
Okay, so already downtown I really win by much. I mean, it's just like
No.
about $20.
Yeah.
I mean, it add up if you buy 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but okay. So I gotta look for the cocoa balls thing. Oh, and we found it already, bro. Like, we're already here. Like, it's already freaking here.
Wait, I want to see the price because this me know I got expensive.
This?
Yeah, become more expensive. Me not ask. I should take the price.
So that one come with a grater. A mini grater set.
Well, we're gonna take this one then.
We're taking this
Because
one.
it have 3.
Alright, so this one has 3 like downtown.
I don't see any price though.
I guess we will figure it out once we
Cash it.
cash it out.
Yeah, it's ready.
That was freaking quick though.
Yeah.
So it's, I mean, convenience
Smell
wise.
it. See if it smell like the one downtown. I mean, downtown one look nice and rich.
Well, true.
This one looks
Alright, let's see. Guys, you might have thought I was joking when I said duck, but there's actually duck here. So 5,000 so. If you're searching for duck in Jamaica, it's there.
Let me tell you what I know is good.
Alright, so before we leave here, Aya and I have a truth or dare video that she's been wanting to do for a while. So you guys can go check out our channel and see that. But we're actually looking for some rum cream. Yeah? Guess the price, if you guys can guess the price of the rum cream.
Alright. So I bought that one in a wholesale.
Yeah.
But they pay like 1,700.
1,700. Sanksa's rum cream.
Rare nephew.
Rare nephew. Rum
Yeah.
cream.
So I'm gonna look how much feet in here now.
Alright. They got to have it. They have everything.
This is good. This good.
Oh
I
yeah.
love this. Oh, see it here. Oh my. What?
Wait, the 1 liter?
What? And this bigger than it.
Uptown window one.
Yo, it wrong.
I don't
It
think
must
it's
be
wrong.
wrong.
Sometimes I have some deals, you know.
But this one bigger by far.
1 liter. This is like about 25% more liquor than the one that you have over the camping trip. Wow.
Bite? Are you
Yeah.
if we switch it up and use that one?
That's too
This
expensive.
is nice though.
It's expensive.
Alright, we'll just set that
I
one.
mean, hold on. I don't think I've had this one, to be honest. You know.
No, this is gonna make you always want drink and I want to tell the truth. But this now will have the sting in
No
it.
more. This one, if I tell the truth.
No, you
No,
don't.
I'll be honest in that
No,
again.
no. Lies.
Alright, let it on it then. Yeah.
Now when you want to sting.
Alright. Alright, and that's it.
You know what? This is the one for you. I have this at home.
Yellowtail.
Yeah, that's good. This tastes
But you check the alcohol content, because I want to...
You know, Mr. Bird, just the bird, you look for me in here. What do you think?
Do that too, okay? Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
Alright. What do you think? What do you that drink? Wait, but JC would have like?
I'm not sure. No.
Forget it. Oh, sorry.
So that was $2.92?
Yeah.
How much you pay if you downtown?
No? Yeah?
Yeah, about $2.50. Okay, not bad.
Alright. Cash everything.
Alright, so we got the items, guys. You guys saw the prices, you saw how much we spent. And to be quite honest, if you're buying just a few things like we did, the price difference is it's minuscule. But if you're gonna do any like large shopping for your family, maybe going downtown, you would say? Definitely going downtown probably makes sense. But I mean, again, convenience is everything. For example, if you live close to a supermarket, I mean, probably wouldn't want to go downtown. But anyway, shout out to Ianja for rolling along.
Thank you.
In the videos today. If you guys want to see any more collabs in the future, then drop in the comments and let us know. And check out her channel. It's gonna be a video over there. We're gonna be doing a truth or drink.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's gonna be a whole vibe. Remember the 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, hit the link.
Now, I did say the day got super interesting, and the part of this story that I left out was I took Iandra to the ghettos for street food. And just to give you a clue on the next video, here comes the police.